Hi guys, my friends on YouTube. Welcome to Currlin Orchids and a little unboxing video one more time. Yes, I just figured it was about time for me to look at Currlin's website just a little bit. I was just a little bit curious if they had anything new in stock, and of course they did. So, for example, a nice little Vanda. So I just had to have that one, and along with that one came a few others. This one should have been delivered last Thursday, and today it's Tuesday evening. But due to the midsummer weekend holiday, it was all delayed, so they didn't deliver the package in time. So I had to wait a couple of days more, and when I finally got there to the post office, or the place where I can pick up my package, they changed opening hours. So I was 28 minutes too late yesterday evening to pick this one up. So I was a little bit disappointed. But here she is, and we had a heat wave for the last week, and they shipped them bare rooted, so I'm a little bit nervous. So let's just dig into this one and see, and at least give them a little bit of water, shall we? And I have a few notes on each and every one of the orchids I ordered, so I can tell you a little bit about the background history and stuff as well, so you know what I ordered, what type of orchid I've ordered. Alright, let's bring the coffee and open it. Little free bottle of fertilizer. Yeah, thank you. Now I'm gonna pour out a little bit of these guys. Now we're talking. Now we can actually see some plants in there. I'm starting to wonder, where are they? Oh my god. My goodness. What's this? Yeah, I'm sure now that I may be able to accommodate them. Yeah, nice way to ship them. Yeah. So they won't break, probably. But now they... Yeah. It's still a bit damp. Little bit, teeny weeny bit damp in here. This one is a small one, €24. So it's a rarity, really. Oranges, yeah. Lucio alba variation rhoda stricta. It's nice blooms, long regimes. It's also called the beige oranges with red spots. It's native to Africa, and it grows in wet and hot forests, mountain forests. They usually grow on branches, on slabs, lives nearby waterfalls, and it's a miniature to small, size 1, and it's a species. Well, it actually could be kept on the windowsill, it says, well, yeah, but I don't think so. It needs a range of 70 to 75% humidity, and it does best mounted, so, yeah, if kept on the windowsill, you will need to have it in a cup with some water to the bottom, or so, but I think it's gonna do fine in my cabinet, of course. Yeah. Green root tip. Beautiful. Let's look at the other one. Small. Yeah. It's the Gastrochyllus bellinus. €16. And what about it? It's a blooming size one, believe it or not. But in growing stage, good green root tips. Absolutely lovely. It's a species, and it's called the cute Gastrochyllus, and it's from Thailand, China, southern part of China and Laos, and it grows on forests, on trees, And it's a small to medium-sized warm to cool grower. And it carries about 2 to 7 waxy fragrant blooms. And it blooms in winter to early spring. And its blooms are about 3 centimeters wide and very, very long lasting. So, gorgeous little mount. Love it. Now, let us see. Wow. You all know that I love Cattleya species. Or Cattleya orchids for that matter. It doesn't really matter if it's a species or not. But this is a species. And it's called Cattleya warneri. €18, 1 year to flowering size. Well, about 1 year could be. Yeah, well grown in its pot. So, we shall see. Maybe we'll have to wait to repot it until it's in active growing stage. Since it's sitting in bark, you cannot just remove the whole sphagnum moss ball and put it into semi-hydro surrounding it. Since it's sitting in bark, yeah, it would do fine in bark for a while. We shall see about it. It's a very resilient plant, Cattleya, and it can tolerate a great deal. It's not as sun craving as other Cattleya species. And that's a warm grower, of course. And it's native to Brazil, and it's a medium-sized Cattleya species. Blooms in spring, late spring to early summer, and it carries 20 centimeter wide blooms. And its blooms can be variable, a bit variable in color, and so on. Yeah, and it carries about 4, and it can carry about 4 blooms on each spike, so that's great. Yeah, that kind of size, 20 centimeters, even larger than my Cattleya mossii. So this is a great looking one, healthy. She's teeny, Winnie, whoa. Yes, so let's look at her. It's the, that's kind of great, actually. I had a Prostechia Marii, or, yeah, as we called her before, Encyclia Marii. About this size, a little bit, a lot smaller. Yeah, I ordered a lot smaller one from Elsner a couple of years ago now. And it grew well in bark when not being overwatered. Yeah, under medium light, not too much light. And it was doing great with huge pseudobulbs. Everything was just doing so well. Yeah. I don't know what happened, but I think it was due to too much watering. So, and this one doesn't need all that humidity, strangely enough. I mean, the other one I had was on a windowsill and was doing, really, really well for me. But anyway, it costed €17.50, so it's quite high price for this small orchid. But this one is quite rare, kind of rare, and always cost a lot of money. So I think I paid even more for my smaller one I got some years ago. Yeah, anyway, this one should have 12 months to flowering size. But this one can bloom small size, so yes. But anyway, it's a species, and it's also called Mary's, Epidendrum, etc. And it's native to Mexico. Grows in dry oak forests. And you shouldn't water it too much. The warm to cool growing medium-sized one. Blooms in spring to summer. And its blooms are fragrant. White and green. 5 to 8 centimeters long. I must add. Looks like a trumpet a little bit. Really, really nicely shaped flowers on this one. Fragrant. I always loved this little cutie. So now she's back. Oh, and here's a little one. Tulumnia Barbie. Gyrec for Barbie. €7.50. 1 year to blooming size. Yeah, but it can bloom this size. It really can. I think it's a good one. 12 months flowering size. And I got another one. Tulumnia Orange Spread. Yeah, Gyrec Firm. orange spread it should be. Yeah, it says here. Bent a little tag. Also 1 year to flowering size, €750. A little bit taller than the other one, but doing great. Yes, nice. And here's the little dry cutie. Whoops. Here's really what I was after with this order. Let's see. Vanda Cerullia Blue. It's a species, really. €26. This one should be flowering size. Well, it could be a little bit more finicky than hybrids regarding temperatures. This one should grow a little bit intermediate, not too hot. And it's a species from China and India, and blooms in fall. This blooms measures about 10 centimeters, medium to large size one. This one is yeah, I'd be surprised if this one bloomed. And I don't like that it's yeah, they squeezed its roots into a bowl to fit this pot. Well, it's a good pot. Yeah, really good pot. These you could send me a lot more of. But I mean, I don't like when they squeeze the roots into a pot. I mean, I might as well just want to have it bare rooted, really. And maybe I don't want to have any cracks to the roots. So so she's gonna hang bare rooted. I'm gonna go and give her a good shower, and I'm gonna put her outside, inside of a balcony shield, together with a few other Vandas for the moment. Kind of small, but maybe it can bloom this size. I'm not sure how tall this one really needs to be, but I'm sure that there are a few people out there who knows if this one really can bloom this size. And no releasing from the basket from its little house. It's just like a snail. With its little house. Without a house, there won't be much of a snail, would it? Oh my, oh my, oh my. Yay. And this one, it's the last one. This one is the only one really a bit affected by the heat wave and the long shipping time due to our midsummer holiday delay. It is the Aspasia Variegata. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Espacial Variegata. €12. As you can see, it's really dry here. So it's not so bad. Needs some water. Needs to be put into the cabinet. Let's see, what about the Espacia? 12 months to blooming size. €12. And it's a species native to Brazil, Venezuela, and Colombia. Lives in moist forests. Small size one. And it's a hot grower, so it will be perfect in the cabinet, really. And it grows a little bit shady. Blooms in spring and summer with fragrant blooms. Yeah, now that's just about it about this one. So small size, yeah, really nice. So not so much taller than this one then. Beautiful. This is what I like. I want all of my orchids to arrive in this shape and size. Goodily good, as I say. So yeah, that's the last one. Not so tall, not so large ones in this order, and that's perfect. So guys, thank you so much for watching this little unboxing video from Currlin Orchideen in Germany. So, and I hope you like the little video. And we should talk soon. Yeah, this video is a little bit delayed, as always. Since I always seem to pile my videos up in folders before I upload them. So, but anyway, take care, guys. Bye bye.